Hey guys, my hair's a bit messy and I just had a shower in my pyjamas so I can film this because I'm not allowed to do it in my school uniform. So I just did that, and my bird, Smokey. Yeah? This is my bird, Smokey. She's actually, yeah, 4 months. She's really young. I think she's 4 months or something like that. But we got a wing clipped yesterday, and yeah, and my friend has her bird, and the little girl, she's been in my hair. It's obviously messed up because she has been in my hair like seriously for ages, and she just goes in my hair and just, I don't know what she does. Okay, I'm just putting my hair. Go. Okay. Bye.